everyone, it's Teacher Ophelia from Penny Pumpernickel Pants Play Care. Today we're going to be doing a craft together on the letter R. R for robot. If you're a pumpernickel, you'll have everything in front of you ready to go. And if you're new, welcome, we're glad you're here. If you need a template, just head on over to pennypumpernickelpants.com. Let's get started. Alright, so we have our template here of our robot, the letter R, with a hat and hands and buttons. I'm going to choose a color, and right now would be a really great time for you to choose your markers or crayons and the colors that you're going to choose to color with me. Let's go. I am going to trace all the way around my pants, one stripe at a time. I like the color purple. I wonder what color you will choose. I'm going to skip one stripe and go right to the third one. I'll do every other stripe. Remember to take your time. You've got nowhere else to be. If I'm going too fast for you, you can always stop the video and go at your own speed and then press play to come on back. That looks great. Now I'm going to choose a different color, and I think I'm going to go with pink because I really like the way pink and purple look together. There we go. I know some pumpernickels like to make rainbow colors. That's okay too. And remember, if you don't stay inside the lines, don't worry. You color exactly how you like. Wonderful. Almost done my pants. One more to go. Last one. Great. Now we're going to do our shoes together. I think I'm going to do orange. I like the way the orange pops against the pink and the purple color. And I'm going to leave my little circle that's on the shoe. I'm going to leave it blank because I'm going to put something on top of it in a little bit. And we can always come back a little later if we decide we want to fill it in. Trace around the edges. Now I'm doing my pants and shoes first, but you can do any order you like. This is your craft, and you decide. Wow, I like the way that looks. Next I'm going to take some green and just do the soles of my robot's shoes. I think you see a pattern here. I do like stripes. That looks good. We'll go on to the other side. Very nice. And one more color. I think I will choose yellow. Yellow like the sun. Yellow makes me feel happy. I should add more of it. There we go. One by one, 2, 3. Perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pause the video. I want you to color everything on your template, all parts of the robot. And then when you're done, we'll come back and finish together. Ready? Go. Welcome back. Now we're going to cut out our pieces together. So grab your scissors and let's be safe. If you need to ask your grown-up for help, that's okay. Take your time. I'm going to cut around my R. I want to make sure that my fingers are always far away from where I'm cutting. Looking good. You can move your paper around and slowly continue to cut. If you accidentally cut something else that's not your R, don't worry. It's just a craft. We are all learning. I leave a little bit of room from where my lines are. And there you have it. Great. There's our first cutting. Now we'll go on to do the rest. Now that we're finished cutting out our pieces, we're going to take our piece of paper. I have an 8x10 and I'm using red, but you can use any color. We're going to move our pieces to the side and we're going to put our paper down, and then we're going to assemble our robot. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my letter R, the body of the robot, take my glue and turn my R to the wrong side. And by wrong side, I mean the side that I don't want showing. It's not pretty, so I'm going to use glue on that side and leave my pretty side to show the world. There we go. And be sure to press down nicely, taking your time so all the parts stick to the paper. If you need to go back, you always can. And press down firmly so that nothing moves. There we go. Next, I'm going to take my head and I'm going to do the same thing. Take my glue and put it on the wrong side of the piece of paper and attach my head to the very top. Wow, he's already looking really cool. Now I think I will take my arms, put them on the wrong side again, attach the glue, and attach them to my robot body. Next, the other arm on the other side, putting it down nice and firm, pressing. Then I'm going to take my R for robot, and this is his plate that will go on the robot's chest. I'm going to put it right in the middle. And I like how everything's coming together and looking very layered. Now you may want to use these. I'm going to put them as little buttons over what I didn't color, right there. Put a second one down on the shoe. That's looking neat. Now you can put wherever you'd like. I think I'm going to put little buttons right here on his pants. And I have 2 left. There we go. Sticking to my fingers a little bit, I'll press it down. Wow, that's looking really good. Now I'm going to take my googly eyes. If you do not have googly eyes, that is okay. You can cut out eyes, draw your own. Just make sure that you're safe with your scissors when you're cutting. Perfect. That's looking really good. Now, if you have some other things that you want to use, like I have these little tiny things that I found in my craft box, you can just put a little bit of glue on them and make your robot a little bit more robotic. If you need to, you can add a little bit more glue on top of the spots. You don't need these, but they kind of make it look cool. Add another 2 buttons. Maybe I'll put another one right underneath the green button, like so. If you have stickers, you can also use stickers in other parts, but I think I'm going to keep that one just like that. It looks really, really good. What do you think? Our amazing R is for robot. How does yours look? I'm pretty excited about mine. Send me a picture. Head on over to pennypumpernickelpants.com. Until next time.